Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing Zeely AI. So Zeely AI is an all-in-one AI marketing platform that is built mainly for small businesses, e-commerce sellers, and entrepreneurs. It is going to help you create UGC-style video ads, static ad creatives, AI avatars, and even launch ad campaigns across platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Google, and TikTok. Its main appeal is simplifying the ad creation for users without advanced design or marketing experience. So when you come here on Zeely.ai, you are going to see this type of get started button on the top right hand corner of the screen. When you click on it, you can sign up here with the help of your Google account in order to get access to your dashboard. Now, if I talk about the key features that Zeely AI offers, so you are going to get AI generated video ads. You can just take a look at the demo videos here on the home screen. You will see the static ad templates, AI script and copywriting tools, meta ad campaign management, performance tracking and optimization, the product link import for quick ad creation. So all of these features makes it especially useful for the sellers who want faster marketing production without hiring the agencies. Now over here, if we click on the option of pricing, you will be landed here on this particular page where you are going to see that their starter plan is going to start with $29.95 per month. Then they have their growth plan, which is their most popular plan as well. So it is going to start with $79.95. Then they have their plus plan, which is going to cost you around $50 per month, and their respective features and the credit details are given over here on this particular page. So the real question here is Zeely AI worth it in 2026? So if you are a small business owner that is looking for quick AI powered ad creation without hiring expensive agencies, then absolutely it is worth it. But you should carefully review pricing tiers and the subscription policies before committing. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.